Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your name on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just click the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here you can find your profile and the settings. New, just click to your name and just enter a new nickname, and if you finish, click to the continue button, type again your name, click to the confirm, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.